Hello.
Hello.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's.
To everybody. Hey, we appreciate you coming back to check in on us again. It's the last day of 2025, and though we made little forward progress this year, we thought we'd try to send the year out on a high note. We're going to do our best today, Tuesday, this is Wednesday.
Yeah.
Wednesday, pardon me, the 31st of December, to pull this engine out and get ready to put the new one in. So stick with us and watch as we do our best to get it out of there. You guys ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Well, welcome back to the Ox Garage. Let's do it. Well, here's the engine that came with the car when we bought it. This is the one that we managed to crack the block in by leaving plain water in it on a night when it got down to sub-zero, unfortunately. But this is the one that's coming out, and so I guess what all do we have to remove? We've got all the wiring is off of it now, I believe.
You see over here, you can
yeah.
see most of the stuff we've taken off here.
Yeah, almost everything we've taken off is over here on the workbench at the moment. Like I say, my goal there was just to try to lighten it up for when we pull it out, just to make it less of a beast to pull all at once. Like just the fuel injection system that was on here was pretty intense. You remember that beast, guys? Remember how much bigger it was than the carb intake? A lot bigger. So anyway, we pulled all that off, and then I was like, well, wait a minute, what am I going to pull it out by? Because I had some really good pull spots on the head. So anyway, we'll figure that out here in a second. But yeah, it was like Moses pointed out, the motor mounts here got to come loose. That's obvious.
We got to take out the whole engine.
And then it's got to be bolted back here to the trans somewhere, right?
Yeah.
So we need to get under there and figure that out. And one of you
I can do it. I'm the smallest.
What's that?
I'm the smallest. I can do it.
You're just a little guy, huh? Useful. Useful. All right. Okay, well, we're going to try it, so I guess let's get into it. You ready?
Yeah. Yeah. Let's start.
Do you see?
Yeah, I see one bolt.
Let me see. I'm going to get under here with Mo, see what we got. Well, where are they? Hang on.
It's hard to get under there.
Yep. Okay, well, here I am under the rig. I see there's a bolt. Guess I'm going to go just start pulling these out of here. There's one there, too.
Yeah, when you're done with one, hand it to me.
I will, believe me.
I will set it on our tool chest.
Be ready.
I am ready.
Trying to figure out how many there are. It should be like at least, I would think, 6. I guess we'll figure it out. All right, I've just pulled out. Oh, we're upside down here. I'm upside down, y'all.
Flip over your computer monitors.
Here, right, yeah, flip your TV upside down to your phone. Here's, I took this guy out. I took another one out over here. But, like, as you can see here, you don't really see any more bolts until we get all the way up around the top. There's one, a bigger one, it looks like way up.
Yeah.
Up there. So I'm going to get my fat butt out from under this car and see if we can figure it out.
Yeah.
All right, well, I've managed to pull 5 bolts, I think, total out of this. 3 of these bigger ones out of the top and 2 smaller ones out of the bottom. And I don't see any more. I figured there'd be 6 probably at least, but sure not seeing any more. I guess we'll find out as we go along. Now we need to take off these motor mounts, and if we did get all the trans mounts or trans bolts out, that should be it. So I guess let's get on it, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, this is the last motor mount fastener. We're hoping we got all of the bolts out of the transmission housing there. I found 5. I guess we'll see when we try to move this if there's anything else holding it together. Keep going.
Kind of awkward.
Yeah, I know they're awkward. They're pretty fine threads, it seems like.
Just take it out now.
Oh.
There it is. Let me have it. I'll put it with the others. Okay.
Here we go.
I guess we'll see. here.
Huzzah!
It's come up a long way.
10 hours later.
It took so long.
Hey, Mosey, can you go scoot the back end of the engine, like just push it that way so that it's clear and that stuff? Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
There's
Okay,
the
you're good.
transmission.
Come on back out of there.
Check out that empty transmission front.
There's like an orange on the back.
Yeah. It's got this big orange rear on it.
Oh, yeah.
Here, I don't want to crash into stuff.
It's okay.
I'm just making sure.
Thanks, guys.
And just like that. Well, not quite just like that.
Wow, it looks so cool from the back.
Yeah.
That's amazing. What do you think, Moses?
Amazing.
Ta-da!
We did it.
Well, folks, there you have it. We wrestled with a bolt that we didn't find for a long time there, but once we got that loose, engine came out pretty easy peasy. Once we knew what we were doing.
Yeah.
I should have known. It said 6 to 8, but so many of these fasteners have been replaced in this particular vehicle. And when I got 5 out and couldn't find any more, I was like, well, last guy probably didn't put them all back in. You know, we found a lot of that kind of stuff on this car. I don't know if you remember the zip-tied fuel pump. But
Check out, what was that, episode 2?
it was way back at the beginning.
No, two.
Anyhow, let's take a look at what we got here. Don't mind our cluttered driveway and yard here. We need to have either a block trash haul off day or a bonfire. I'm not sure which. But here's the old engine.
Yep.
This is the one that we ruined. Once you get it out here, you can really see the blue.
And the orange here.
Now don't get underneath, get your foot underneath that. I mean, it's pretty secure, but I wouldn't tempt fate, you know what I mean? Anyhow, here it is. This guy has
Orange, and it looks like a thruster back
yeah, that's where it attaches to. You see the pilot shaft there, the input shaft on the
there. Wow.
on the transmission, and you see that lever down there
Yeah.
at the bottom. What do you think that is?
So part of your clutch?
That is the clutch. That's how it shifts the gears. You see?
Yeah.
Do you remember when we replaced the master cylinder
Yeah.
for the hydraulic clutch,
Right out there.
and then we bled it right down
Yeah.
there? You see the bleeder screw.
Yeah.
And that thing, when you press the pedal, moves this whole lever and then allows the clutch to go in, and then you pull the gear shift and pick what gear you want to be in. Anyway, here it is. It's out. How do you feel about that, guys? High fives?
Greasy high five.
Greasy, grimy high fives. Well, we did some legitimately greasy work today. Uh-oh, it's turned into
Okay.
the heck was that? Oh.
Major squealing.
Damn you scooter punks! That's our neighborhood, y'all. Anyway, engine is out.
Yes.
It's a new year ahead of us. You guys ready
The
for?
last like 8 hours of 2025.
Are you guys ready for 2026?
Yeah. No.
You think?
Frankly not.
Hopefully, maybe by the end of this next year, maybe we can have this all buttoned back up, and put back together.
And I take it to a car show.
It'd be really nice if we could just get it running at all, and then we could start worrying about the finesse.
Yeah.
That
The body part comes last.
Yeah. I'm less
not
concerned
worried about
about that. Just now underneath it too, I was just telling the boys off camera. So many of these Z cars rusted out and just disappeared. They just absolutely got eaten alive by rust. And this one, there is some scale around here and there. There's a little rust through in like the quarters and the rockers like you expect.
Yeah.
But like
A lot of that is pretty good.
all this stuff down
Like,
here
I mean,
is.
just look at that whole wall there. It's really
Yeah, I mean, this is still shiny actually. But I mean, look down here,
There's a
it's
little
like,
scale rust.
yeah.
But it's not really damaging to the actual
It's not
structure.
structural rust, exactly. So, I mean, I think we have a pretty good example here. It's pretty straight overall. I mean, the paint that's on it now with all this old cracked Bondo looks like absolute dog snot. But
Yeah.
But
This paint is on there really good.
yeah, well, I see this whole car looks like it got a skim coat of Bondo on it before they, it's like, oh, now it's smooth. Hit it with the paint. All right, so Happy New Year to everybody. Thank you so much for subscribing and following and liking our stuff. Thank you for the comments. Sometimes people have been really helpful a few times. And we just hope you'll check us out. We got a Patreon too. You can join it for free. That's where news of all of our goodies goes first. And then here at the YouTube, from the old man and from Nash and Moses, here's wishing y'all a Happy New Year.
And an Ox Studios, bum bum ba dum.
Bom.